Hey y'all, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. Today is episode 5 in our series on how to train for Deka if you don't have the equipment. So let's go. In this video today, we'll be talking about some ways you can build strength and mobility for this zone, even if you don't have the ski machine to train on. I have a whole nother video right here on strategy for this zone, so check that out if that's you. So diving right into strength, our very first exercise here is a banded ski. So instead of using the actual ski machine, we can mimic the same motion by using a resistance band tied and anchored up high. So here I've anchored the band high on our squat rack and we're pulling downwards just like we would in the ski, coming down with the lats and then crunching and then squatting into the motion and then right back up to the top, adding that little calf raise every rep. So again, it might not mimic the exact feeling you'll get on a ski machine. Obviously, you'll get a little bit more resistance, especially at the bottom of the movement, getting that full extension of the triceps that you can't really get on the band. But at the same time, you're able to mimic that movement in a little way, which can go a long ways if you don't actually have the machine to train on. Our second strength move here is a narrow grip lat pull down. Obviously, the lats are a major player in the ski, and so strengthening up those lats is going to really help you create power and momentum into the ski. And our last strengthening exercise here is a ball slam. If you watched my last video, these were also in there to help you with your med ball sit-up, so this is kind of a 2-for-1. This is a great one to help train you to reach up high with that ball and then slam it all the way into the floor, just like you would do as you rip the ski machine downwards, and then getting all the way up onto those toes almost when you're in the ball slam. That way you're mimicking that nice big calf raise on the ski. At least I love to do a calf raise on the ski. If that's not your thing, you don't have to put that in there. And moving right along to cardio. The first thing we can try here is again that banded ski, doing that repeatedly just to get up the momentum and see if you can get that heart rate up as well. Again, finding a band that has good resistance, but also the range of motion you need to find the full range for the ski is gonna be a little hard. So if you don't have the right band to do this one, that's a-okay. If you can get your heart rate up in that banded ski, then that's great though. It's just not gonna be a perfect 1-for-1 match. And of course, finding other cardio options like the row machine or running. Those are your classics and your standards that will help you increase that cardio fitness so that you can conquer the ski. And lastly here, if you wanted to throw in a few Metcons throughout your training in the week, then adding in some pull motions and some crunch type motions that will help mimic the ski will be optimal. So adding those ball slams into some Metcons, maybe some med ball sit-ups, whatever that is for you, finding some of those types of movements and then throwing those into a Metcon to help you train the ski. And if you want to stay up to date with all my content, check out my email list down in this description below. You can sign up there. I just had a fantastic launch for my brand new program, Hybrid Strength, so I cannot wait to train with all of these athletes and get them ready for their next races or whatever adventures life throws them. And that's all I have for you guys today. Good luck on your next Deka race. Stay healthy. Bye.